Hey, what's going on, guys? Cooper here, and welcome back to yet another episode. And today, we're gonna show you the remainings of my fidget cube, as you see from the title. So I'm gonna open this bag and show you what's inside the fidget cube. I didn't know where my fidget cube went, and once I figured out that it was destroyed, I got pretty angry. So, this is all your fidget cube is. It's this body. And I can't put this back together like this. Like, these two will snap onto each other. I can't get it back on the body of it, so I don't have a fidget cube anymore. So, I'm just going to show you a quick clip of what's inside of your fidget cube. I'm going to lay everything out so you can see it. And once again, please like and subscribe if you want me to do more videos, because if I don't, I may never be happy again. So, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I might give you my Snapchat tomorrow. But this is the remainings of your fidget cube. These are like the buttons, the parts that click. But yeah, you know, these are what's on top of it. You know, my favorite part, this one still works, but it's that one switch part. And then there's those gears and the ball. There's the thing that you put your thumb on and spin it. There's even the joystick, which I had to break. So this is the remainings of fidget cube. I just wanted to make a short video to show you what's inside a fidget cube. So that was all. See you next video. Remember, like and subscribe for more.